Rakshasa, she was sitting there first. She was in the bed first. Stop throwing a fit. God, yeah.
Let go!
Like the more you hold on to something and don't talk about it, the bigger it comes in the end. Like you make me...
Don't walk when you can get a ride and clean the floors at the same time.
No matter like what that is or what that is, I don't want to try for you.
If you want to catch Squirrel Cat, you gotta be faster.
Error 404. Productivity not found. Found a golden retriever instead.
What are you doing? We're going home. Let's go, we're going.
Засамикати, ще прибирати не робиться.
Yeah.
Runs on kibble requires mandatory petting breaks. Too late to apologize. His cold shoulder says he'll never forgive. Target locked. He knows the scent, and there's nowhere to hide.
Nothing beats the soothing sound of a happy cat's purr. Instant calm and comfort. This little purr machine is a true stress reliever.
Great best friends, share great toys, and create great memories together.
See if he'll even eat it. Oh.
Dan, are you on one? It's your last warning! I have nothing. Lisa...
Ти що витворяєш? Рися!
This is a case of girls support girls.
Those detective eyes follow everywhere. You'll never do.
That no signal screen must mean something important and deep.
He keeps jumping up there. So we're gonna see if he messes up. My entire apartment is
Welcome to where fur meets funny. Get ready for the clumsiest and most hilarious puppies on the planet. Introducing the hang loose collar. Very chic, very accidental.
You guys do realize that there are dogs that just live outside all the time, right? They're working dogs that have a job. What is your job?
From scared little fur balls to deeply loved, sleepy companions. This is beautiful.
Day 1. The sheep have accepted me as their weird, loud brother.
You want to see Big Sister? Here she comes.
Well, that door was clearly just a suggestion.
Thank you for watching the entire video. See you in the next.
Сейчас садится компотиш, забродивший. Ну-ка, батя.
Oh my gosh, you okay?
Give that good boy a pup cup before he floods the entire car.
When you're woken up at 2 a.m. by a bed brawl, you probably never get a good night's sleep.
You thought you picked a cat? Nah, they just accepted your application.
Size doesn't matter when you're both turbocharged with... Who am I, and why don't I have a treat in my mouth?
Find comfort in each other. City cats truly live up to their name. Walking on an escalator so professionally, who would believe it's just an animal? So smart.
Bop it. Twist it. Pull it. Bop it. Twist it. Flick.
Am I interrupting something, Mittens?
If drama had 4 legs, it would look exactly like this. Thanks for watching.
Who's that? Who's that?
What's up? What do you need?
Oh, when a cat gets a zoomies, it's like you're being held at knife point in 7-Eleven.
You know you're not trapped in there, right?
No! Stop it! No! Murphy!
Hello? Hello? You okay?
Adulterated feline fun.
Домой. Домой. Пойдем.
Oi!
Wow, really, right in the middle of my best dream.
I swear I won't wreck this clinic, so stop monitoring me like this.
Oh.
Massage style. Gentle now, but don't make me mad.
Mal für die Emma. Würfeln?
This is a classic ostrich effect in canines.
It looks like the cat and the baby goat are not just playing, but training for some kind of fun animal sports competition. Who's going to win?
If these good boys made you laugh, hit that like button and subscribe for more. See ya!
so terrifying.
Look how scary it is.
It's so scary.
How scary that thing is.
Oh my.
Someone tell that ferret he walked into a feathered mob movie.
No.
Ow!
You've been a good girl there with your little baby. Is that your little baby? Is that your bubba? You love your bubba, don't you?
Party kiddo.
You are so bad. What toy do you need?
Farewell, the Chaos Crew signs off. Stay tuned.
Hey, buddy. How you?
Deep tissue helps keep him calm.
Do you love it? He loves it.
And that's it for today. Thank you for watching, stay healthy, and see you in the next video.
Someone hates baths, but somehow keeps doing things that require a bath.
Hey, you guys.
I bet this moment the siren drops a track and your dog's like, oh, this is my jam.
Bak sarılacak şimdi.
Bonjour, vous faites du stop?
When you take the bring me a stick command way too literally,
it's hard to be cute, but someone's gotta do it.
Little good job. Oh my god.
Hey, Tatum.
Anong karapatan mo para ihod dyan? Tanungin kita. Anong karapatan mo? Anong karapatan mo? Siyempre, manugang muna! Manugang!
Cat never leaves its young master's side for a second. That's true love.
he's trying to input his order into the touch screen.
Favorite.
Look at her sniffing. Jesus! I figured, where are... How did you get up?
You got it. Oh, there. Good.
crying, you're dead. Roll over. Good girl, Stormy. Come here. Stand. Big. Big. Big.
Beep.
Are you okay?
Come. Sit. Bang.
The cat clearly decided this embarrassing moment was too funny to interrupt.
Para çekebilir miyim?
kediye.
Para.
This cat is a natural water baby. So calm and graceful, defying all cat stereotypes. What a brave and beautiful swimmer.
Good girl.
Grandma is the trainer, and the dog is the heavy lifting portion of the program.
From the rooftop, cat and eagle comment together on the world below.
You want to go for a walk?
Not again. I really have a thing against this metal stuff, you know.
Really?
FYI, this is not laziness, it's energy conservation mode.
No, leave him alone. No. We're not talking. We're not having a conversation.
That tiny coach under him clearly improved both his strength and his heart.
So what is your favorite piano?
Why wait for human room service? He could do it all by himself.
I do not feel like getting out of the bed. Oh.
You can give him pets.
Bros.
No injuries were found, only a drama king suffering.
When you love making toys for your kiddo and seeing him play hard.
Stupid.
Excuse me, but what do you think you're Ow! You just stole some of my floof! How dare you!
Non ho capito. E vieni da, vieni da.
¿Quieres?
One dog, dual operating systems, and they are not synchronized. In case anyone needs a visual example of the word treasure. I hope the kisses are included in the bill.
You okay, baby?
Cat's trying to rest, but the duck decides it's wake-up time.
Oh, I thought you just bought some very furry throw pillows, not dogs. Who doesn't like getting a free haircut? Even horses.
Big boss bringing home a little boss. Watching the
Her paw is a high security vault. You don't have the passcode.
Up to your eyeballs. Oh.
This thing came in. Hello. Are we friends now? We don't look like friends with those ears back.
I bet Doggo's looking for their code splashing code to join it.
Good job, Whisper.
Warming up his favorite spot for later use.
Setting up a cozy spot on the sofa for the cat. Clearly, we know who the real cat lover is now.
Who knew a cloud and a charcoal briquette could be best friends?
He's not overeating. I know that. Look at.
He has a 9 a.m. meeting. Hurry up, please.
So this is Meg waiting for his cappuccino.
Is the kitty underneath you? Ooh!
I hold him up.
Look at how beautiful it is. Cheese.
Wait for that fox-style pounce at the end.
Kim Autumn.
Баги без розпаковку намагаємося зняти. Баги. Баги.
Where I found them. Is this not the cutest thing you have ever seen? Are you being a good boy, Echo? Are you taking care of your little sister? Oh, good job.
Why play with fancy indestructible toys when there's a whole garden full of grass?
Oh no!
The sofa has officially been rebranded as the Olympic Velodrome.
This is the shit I'm talking about! Let go! I can kick you. Stop it!
Шинулечко.
Huh?
Finn, here.
Just cooking. Oh, thanks very much. Oh, lovely. Thank you.
Yeah, Papa.
Short? So what? Still better than most people who don't even have a servant.
Oh, jeez, we're gonna go back past.
The K9 is literally asking, are they on the naughty list? Can I get them? Sir, you have a sleeping problem and we have a tennis ball solution.
It doesn't matter. Money.
This puppy is not messing up. He's a scientist testing physics. Welcome to Where Fur Meets Funny. Today we're counting down the most dramatic pups on the planet.
That cat found the perfect place, and he clearly found something just as meaningful.
He literally ate so fast that he broke the laws of logic.
Upgraded into a full-time chaos machine without warning.
What's going on there?